This video will discuss about the practical use and code implementation. When implementing a solution using AWS, developers and businesses leverage a broad range of cloud services that enables them to build, deploy, and scale applications efficiently and reliably. AWS provide flexible ways to interact with these services, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced professionals. The main method to work with AWS includes AWS Management Console, AWS Command Line Interface, which is called as CLI, software development kits, which is called as SDKs. For the AWS Management Console, a user-friendly web-based interface where users can manually manage AWS resources through graphical dashboards. Whereas for the CLI, which is called the AWS Command Line Interface, a powerful tool that allows users to perform AWS operations using commands in a terminal or a command prompt, enabling automation and scripting. Software the development kits, which is also called as SDKs, programming libraries available for languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and other programming languages as well, which simplify integrating AWS services directly into the applications. This multi-interface approach helps users automate infrastructure setup, manage, and cloud resources programmatically and integrate AWS functionalities seamlessly into their software projects. So these are some AWS web services, where the Amazon EC2 is very widely used because it's an open servers where everyone can use and deploy their projects into it. AWS RDS, AWS Direct Connect, AWS EBS, Amazon S3, Elastic Load Balancing, Amazon Route 53, Amazon VPCs, and Elastic IP. So these are some famous and mostly used Amazon web services. So compute, for the compute, Amazon EC2, which is called as Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2 allows users to launch and manage virtual servers in the cloud, giving them full control over the operating system, storage, and networking. It supports a wide range of instance type to suit different workloads, from web hosting to high performance computing. So the code in that it is which is written as like AWS is to run instance. We should choose the instance which needed to be run, like deploying an image, the image code for that, and instance and the instance type and the key name which you need to give in, and security tab for that particular image. AWS Lambda. Lambda enables developers to run code without provisioning or managing servers. It's a serverless compute service where you simply upload your code and AWS handles the execution as well as scaling and availability automatically. It's ideal for event-driven applications like real-time file processing, API backends, or automation tasks. Storage, Amazon S3, which is the simple storage service, which is a scalable object storage service ideal for storing and retrieving any amount of data from anywhere on the web. It is commonly used for backup, archiving, and content distribution, big data analytics. S3 provides high durability, availability, and robust security features, making it a go-to choice for storing unstructured data like images, videos, and documents. So this is a code for the simple storage of the service for the S3. In case of uploading a file or uploading a uh, video into the servers. So there are like two different storages in the storage Amazon S3, which is called as Elastic Block Storage and Elastic File Storage, where Elastic Block Storage provides a persistent block level storage volume for use with EC2 instance. It is suitable for applications that require low latency access to raw unformatted data such as database or file systems. EBS volumes can be easily scaled and backup, ensuring data integrity and reliability. Where for Elastic File System offers scalable electricity file storage that can be accessed concurrently by multiple EC2 instances. It is a fully managed service, ideal for the use cases that require shared file access, such as a content management systems, development environments, and uh, media workflows. Database Amazon RDS, which is called as a relational database service. Amazon RDS is managed and services that makes it easy to set up, operating, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It supports popular database engines such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Oracle SQL servers. And MariaDBS and RDS automates time consuming tasks like backups, patching, and replication, allowing the developers to focus on application development rather than the database administrations. Amazon Dynamo. Amazon Dynamo is fully managed by NoSQL database service designed for fast and predictable performance with seamless scalability. It supports key values and documents data modules and is ideal for high throughput applications such as gaming, IoT, mobile applications, and real-time bidding platforms. With built-in security backup and in-memory caching, DB Dynamo provides a robust solution for modern applications requiring low latency access to the large volume of data. So this is the code for that. Where we can see the key schema, the table name and attribution definition, and provision throughput. Networking. Amazon VPC, which is called as the virtual private cloud. Amazon VPC allows you to create a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud where you can launch AWS resources in a virtual network that you can define. You have full control over your network setting, including IP addresses, range, subnets, route tables, and security groups. VPC is essential for building secure and scalable cloud architecture. So this is the code over that. So this is a small code which is used to deploy the image, or else kind of block into the servers. Amazon Cloud Front. Amazon Cloud is a fast content network CDN server that securely delivers the data, videos, applications, and APIs to user globally with low latency and high transfer speed. It catches the content at edge location around the world, improving the access performance and reducing load on your origin servers. So this is a code for that. Origin domain name bybucket.s3 amazon aws.com. Security and identity. IAM, identity and access management. IAM enables you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. With IAM, you can create users, group, and roles, and assign fine-grained permissions to control who can access what in your AWS environment. This helps enforce the principle of least privilege across your infrastructure. So this is a version so code, so in that you can state so you can give the access for that particular person for use only certain kind of data in your AWS environment. Amazon Cognito. Cognito provides authentication, authorization, and user management for web and mobile applications. It allows user to sign in directly or through third-party identity providers like Google, Facebook, or enterprises identity systems. Cognito also offers secure token-based access and user data synchronization across devices. So the Amazon Cognito, which comes under the security identification, which gives the authentication to the customers before signing. So these are some real world examples which are used, the main tools which are used in the real world, like Netflix and NASA. In Netflix, the Netflix relies on AWS services such as EC2, EC3, and CloudFront to deliver seamless streaming of billions of hours of video content to users worldwide. By leveraging AWS scalable infrastructure, Netflix can efficiently handle fluctuating demand while maintaining high availability and low latency. So utilizes Amazon EC2 instances to dynamically scale computing resources based on real-time viewers demand and ensuring smooth playback without interruptions. Employ Amazon CloudFront as a content delivery network CDN to catch and deliver content quickly to global users, reducing the buffering and latency. Whereas for NASA uses AWS cloud services to store and process massive amount of satellite data, making it accessible for scientific research and public use. AWS enables NASA to perform advanced data analytics on this vast data to support space exploration and Earth observations. Using Amazon S3 for high durable and scalable storage for satellite imagery and scientific data sets, facilitating easy access and sharing with the researchers and the public. Applies AWS data analytic tools to analyze satellite data for climate monitoring, space mission planning, and other research projects as well. Thank you so much.